The 2025 Audi Q-Series marks a new chapter in the brand's evolution, redefining what luxury SUVs should feel like. From the compact Q3 to the commanding Q7, each model has been crafted with a purpose: to deliver power, intelligence, and beauty in perfect harmony. Audi's design language has always balanced elegance with strength, and the new lineup embodies that philosophy with even greater precision. Every line, curve, and surface is shaped to serve both form and function, creating vehicles that look dynamic even when standing still. The Q3 sets the tone with a sporty yet refined profile. Its bold single-frame grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted sides give it a confident stance that's unmistakably Audi, compact but commanding. It's designed for city streets, yet feels ready for adventure. The Q5 takes that visual energy further, blending elegance and aggression with a wider posture, sharper character lines, and new matrix LED lighting that adapts to the road in real time. The signature light bar stretching across the rear adds a futuristic touch that instantly identifies it as part of Audi's modern DNA. Then there's the Q7, the crown jewel of the series, where size meets sophistication. The redesigned front fascia combines chrome detailing with an assertive grille, while the bodywork flows seamlessly from nose to tail, emphasizing strength without losing grace. The proportions have been subtly refined to improve aerodynamics, and the new alloy wheel designs enhance both performance and presence. The Q7 doesn't just drive through space, it defines it. What makes these SUVs stand out is how every aesthetic choice is rooted in engineering intelligence. The sculpted panels channel airflow efficiently, reducing drag and improving stability. The lightweight aluminum frame gives each model agility, without compromising durability. Even the mirrors, underbody panels, and grille shutters have been optimized to reduce wind resistance, making the cars quieter and more efficient at higher speeds. Every design detail serves a purpose, from the precision-cut taillights that create a distinctive light signature, to the aerodynamic roofline that enhances fuel economy. Audi's attention to proportion ensures that whether you're behind the wheel of the Q3, Q5, or Q7, you feel surrounded by motion even when stationary. The 2025 lineup is not about redesigning for the sake of change, it's about refining perfection, advancing the legacy that the Q-Series has carried for years. In 2025, Audi doesn't just build SUVs, it sculpts experiences. Each Q model represents a different dimension of the same vision: sporty, yet elegant, bold, yet balanced, futuristic, yet familiar. These are vehicles that don't shout for attention. They command it naturally, with design that speaks in the language of motion, precision, and progress.
The 2025 Audi Q-Series doesn't just move, it performs with precision, confidence, and control that feel instinctive. Every model, from the Q3 to the Q7, is engineered to deliver a balance of smooth comfort and responsive power. Audi's philosophy of progress through technology lives at the heart of this lineup, and you can feel it in every acceleration, every curve, and every silent moment of stability on the road. The Q3 starts the story with an energetic spirit. Under its sculpted hood lies a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 228 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Paired with Audi's signature S-tronic dual-clutch transmission, the result is immediate response and seamless gear changes that make city driving sharp and highways effortless. The Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip and balance, even in challenging weather, letting the Q3 feel grounded and ready for anything. Despite its size, it handles like a precision instrument light on its feet, confident in turns and stable at speed. Moving to the Q5, performance becomes more refined yet more powerful. The standard 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivers around 261 horsepower, but it's the Q555 TFSIe plug-in hybrid that truly defines versatility. Combining a turbo engine with an electric motor, it produces a combined output of 362 horsepower delivering a surge of torque that pushes you forward with near-silent strength. It can run purely on electric power for short commutes, switch to hybrid for efficiency, or unleash both systems for instant performance. The ride feels planted, the steering precise, and the transitions between power sources almost invisible. It's a masterclass in modern hybrid engineering. Then comes the Q7, where Audi blends muscle with intelligence. The base 2.0-liter turbocharged engine offers confident acceleration, while the available 3.0-liter V6 mild hybrid setup takes performance to another level. With roughly 335 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, the Q7 surges forward effortlessly. It's 8-speed automatic, gearbox shifting with the kind of smoothness that feels almost telepathic. The mild hybrid system recovers energy during braking and deceleration, powering auxiliary systems and improving fuel efficiency without any loss of performance. It's power refined by purpose. All models feature Drive Select, Audi's adaptive system that lets drivers switch between comfort, aerodynamic, off-road, or efficiency modes with a simple twist. In comfort mode, the suspension softens to absorb imperfections. In dynamic throttle response, sharpens. Steering tightens and the vehicle lowers for optimal handling. On winding roads, the system reacts instantly, creating a sense of agility uncommon in SUVs of this size. The Quattro all-wheel drive system, the cornerstone of Audi performance, continuously distributes power between the front and rear wheels, ensuring perfect traction on wet, snowy, or uneven terrain. Step inside the 2025 Audi Q-Series, and the world outside fades into quiet sophistication. Every surface, every stitch, and every sound is designed to create a sanctuary of precision and calm. Whether you're in the compact Q3, the versatile Q5, or the commanding Q7, the experience feels unmistakably Audi, elegant, intuitive, and deeply human. The Q3 offers a clean, modern cabin that feels far more spacious than its dimensions suggest. The horizontal dashboard design stretches the visual width of the interior, while the premium materials and soft-touch finishes add a sense of refinement. The 10.1-inch MMI touchscreen sits naturally in the driver's line of sight, displaying vivid graphics with smooth, responsive controls. Audi's virtual cockpit replaces traditional dials with a fully digital 10.25-inch display, giving you real-time performance data, navigation maps, and media, all customizable with a simple touch or voice command. It's a cabin that feels high-tech but never complicated. Ambient lighting, supportive seats, and impeccable build quality remind you that this is no ordinary compact SUV. It's a small Audi with a big sense of occasion. The Q5 elevates that experience to a new level of comfort and elegance. Every material has been chosen for its texture and warmth. Brushed aluminum, natural wood, and fine Nappa leather blend seamlessly. The 12.3-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus and the MMI Touch display with haptic feedback create a smooth interface between driver and machine. The layout is clean, driver-focused, and free from clutter. The seats are not just comfortable, they're intelligently sculpted to provide perfect posture on long drives. With available heating, ventilation, and adjustable lumbar support, even long journeys feel effortless. Dual-zone climate control maintains the perfect cabin temperature, and the optional panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light, enhancing the sense of openness. Then there's the Q7, the pinnacle of Audi's interior craftsmanship. It feels less like an SUV and more like a private lounge on wheels. The spacious three-row layout offers generous legroom and an atmosphere of refined luxury. Dual touchscreens dominate the center console, a 10.1-inch upper display for infotainment and an 8.6-inch lower display for climate and comfort settings. Both respond to touch with gentle haptic feedback, making every input feel deliberate and tactile. The seats available in Volcona leather come with massage functions, memory settings, and adjustable bolsters. The second row passengers enjoy independent climate control, while the third row folds electronically at the push of a button, transforming the cabin from a family cruiser into a luxury cargo space within seconds. The sound experience is equally immersive. The Bang & Olufsen 3D Premium Audio system in the Q7 and Q5 fills the cabin with clarity and depth, turning every playlist into a concert. The 2025 Audi Q-Series doesn't just promise safety, it embodies it. Every model is built on a foundation of intelligence, precision, and anticipation. From the moment you start the engine, an invisible network of sensors and systems comes alive, reading the road, monitoring your and staying ready for what's ahead. Audi's philosophy is simple. Safety shouldn't interrupt your drive. It should elevate it. At the heart of it all is Audi Presense 360, a suite of technologies that constantly scans for potential danger. Using cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors, it keeps a close watch on vehicles, pedestrians, and objects all around you. If it senses a collision risk, it reacts instantly by tightening the seatbelts, closing windows, and even applying emergency braking. It feels less like technology and more like intuition. In motion, systems like Adaptive Cruise Assist and Lane Keeping Assist create a smooth, natural flow of control. The car maintains a safe distance, adjusts speed automatically, and gently guides you within the lane. There's no jerkiness, no sudden movements, just calm, intelligent precision. For urban driving, features like Traffic Jam Assist take over the stressful parts of stop-and-go traffic, while Parking Assist Plus and the 360 camera make tight maneuvers effortless. The 3D display offers a full virtual view of the vehicle from above, ensuring every turn and parking motion feels easy and controlled. In the Q5 and Q7, the system can even park itself, steering precisely into narrow spots as you supervise. With a gentle touch of the pedals, safety also extends to moments when you're not moving. Rear cross-traffic alert, exit warning, and rear occupant reminder. Make sure you and your passengers remain protected during entry and exit. The Q7 introduces adaptive air suspension that automatically adjusts ride height for stability and comfort, while helping reduce rollover risk. Even on uneven terrain, the system keeps the car level and controlled, giving you a sense of complete command. The Quattro all-wheel drive, standard across all models, continuously distributes power where it's needed most, whether it's rain, gravel, or a sharp curve. The Q-Series maintains unwavering grip and balance. Behind the wheel, the drive feels alive, yet composed. The Q3 is nimble and responsive, ideal for tight city corners and quick maneuvers. The Q5 finds perfect balance between performance and poise. It glides on highways, yet remains agile on winding roads. The Q7, despite its size, feels surprisingly light, floating over imperfections with quiet authority. The steering is precise, the suspension fluid, and the cabin remains serene even at speed. It's not about raw power, it's about effortless control. Audi has tuned every aspect of the Q-Series to create confidence without chaos.